All right, cool. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna learn how to buy other cryptocurrency. We have Bitcoin in our hand. Bitcoin, it's the mother of the coins, right? It's the only platform right now, the only coin that you can actually use in order to exchange for USD. Every other coin out there it's not strong enough yet. It doesn't have enough power yet in order to do that. So we're going to use Bitcoin to buy other coins, and then if we profit from those other coins, we're going to exchange it back into Bitcoin, and we're going to withdraw from our Bitcoin wallet into USD. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. What we're going to do is going to click right on this logo, pretty much take us back home. Here we have our wallet. All right, we already purchased our Bitcoin. We have our wallet. We all have a unique wallet. Okay, and I am going to show you. We're looking for our Bitcoin wallet, which is right here, BTC. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to get our let me see real quick, where is it? I'm trying to look for my Bitcoin wallet address. I don't believe it's in withdrawal. Yes, it is. All right, so we're gonna withdraw, okay, and we're gonna withdraw into our platform. This is the platform that I'm using to trade, which is Bittrex.com. I'll also leave the link for this website at the bottom of this video, in the description area of this video. So what you want to do is you're gonna register. All right, it is pretty quick and easy. Email, password, confirm password, and sign up. It's free. All right, you don't have to pay for this site. We're gonna log in. Again, our 6-code authenticator. I'm gonna let mine load up real quick. This code changes every 15 seconds. Every 15 seconds the code changes, so you're gonna always want to change that real quick. So now what we want to do is we want to put money into our wallet, okay? And we're gonna look for our Coinbase wallet. Our Bitcoin wallet. So we're gonna go to wallet and BTC. And here it is. All right, this is your address. Okay, and we're gonna withdraw. We're gonna enter. That's our address. So we're gonna move money from here into this wallet. Okay, it's gonna take between. It can take 5 minutes. It can take 15 minutes. It can take 20 minutes. Just be aware of that. Don't freak out. There is going to be a fee for this transaction. So if you see that you don't have $40 exactly in your account, it's because there was a fee for that transaction. It's not a big fee. It's a couple cents, but just letting you know that. Okay. Everything. So you're going to copy your amount. And we're gonna paste it here. See, there's a small fee. It went from $15.51 to $14.51. Okay. So now it's asking me for my Google Authenticator. So this number will be 798773. Check your email to confirm the withdrawal. So right there, my money has been moved over to Bittrex wallet. in a few minutes should see the BTC come in here. It's gonna show it. Right now it's still pending, obviously, because it's not gonna show up right away. And just gonna go into my email, confirm this transaction, and then we're gonna go back into Bittrex, and I'm gonna show you how to purchase coins. Okay. So once you go into your email and you check the transaction, you're gonna click confirm, and it's gonna redirect you to this page right here. Pretty much after this page, give it a few minutes, go back into your Bittrex.com wallet, all right, and just look for that transaction to come in place. As you can see, it has not arrived yet in my account. As you can see, I only have 0.22 in here. So once that comes in place, this number is going to change, and then I'm going to show you how to purchase other cryptocurrency, and we go from there. So then once everything is confirmed, your money was moved from CEX.io into your Bittrex account. You're going to get this notification: confirmation code accepted. Your withdrawal request has been processed. Okay. This is your transaction ID. If you want to copy this and paste it in your folder, in your computer, phone, whatever you're using right now, if you want to copy that code, just in case something happens, just in case you don't receive your money was never sent over, you have proof of your transaction ID. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into our BTC Bittrex account. Just refresh. We're going to go into wallet real quick. And as you can see, it still has not gotten here because these transactions, they take between 10 to 15 minutes. So we're just going to continue to wait a little bit longer. And once it's inside of here, I'm going to show you how to use your BTC money to buy other cryptocurrency. All right, once your money is in your Bittrex wallet, all right, so you can see here real quick, I'm going to show you. You're going to have your Bitcoin available, okay? And that should be my $40 that I put in earlier. It should be here in my account. This number is going to change depending on the price of Bitcoin. So, Bitcoin's at 2,265 right now. So if the price increases, this will increase. The price decreases, this will decrease. Okay. So you have to always keep an eye on what the price of Bitcoin is at the moment. And also this is your current balance total of what you have total in your account. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to keep an eye on the market. We're going to keep an eye on what's hyped out there right now, what's in motion to grow, right? So the way I look at things is I click on percent change. All right, I click on it twice till it get me to the green zone. I want to see everything that's on an upward percentage wise. Okay, so I take a look at what's going on right now, and the first page is going to give me all of these. I mean, it's going to probably have 2 or 3 pages of, positive gains. All right. And you can actually go through all of these if you want. I like to keep myself on the first page, and I like to keep myself and look at these numbers of the 24-hour low and in the last price. So as you can see here, 74.34, and then it went up to 19,000. So B-Swift has a huge gain in the past 24 hours. All right, that could be a good thing, that could be a bad thing. That could be a bad thing because it's already too late to jump into this trade. Not the trade, but to jump into this coin. Meaning that, as you can see, the positive gains here, and then it drops. Another gain, and it might drop for a while. All right, you might not see this coin hit this level for a while, and that's why I mean by it might be too late to jump into this coin. The way I keep an eye on it, I look at the market history. All right, so I scroll down And as you can see, this is all the transactions coming in into this coin. People are buying at 19784. Okay, if you want yourself, you can jump into this coin right now, but like I said, I wouldn't suggest it, simply because you might get a lot of people to sell out. And if you buy in now at a high point, what's going to happen is, if you get a lot of people selling out, then you're going to lose money. Yeah, I mean, you're not going to lose money unless you sell yourself, right? Or if you want to hold on to this coin for 2 or 3 days, you can do that too. I would suggest, I like to do day trading, so I like to put in my money now and see profits within 2 or 3 hours down the road. If I don't see profits, I'll hold on to it for another day or two, and then I'll sell where I feel comfortable, where I made enough profit. Right now, I'm in a trade with a coin where I purchased in an upward trend. I went to sleep. When I woke up, it was down. So if I want to, I can sell that coin at a low end price, but I don't want to, because we don't want to sell our coins and lose money, right? We want to sell on profit. Okay, so is it a good time to buy in this coin? I don't know, but there was a huge volume. All right, it might, you might miss the wave. That's what I'm trying to say here. You might have missed the wave. And how do we find another wave? All right, so it's fairly simple. We're gonna go into, click on the Bittrex. We're gonna go and click on percentage change, go back in the green, and we're just gonna look. I was looking at this coin here, Blitz Cash. It went up in an upward trend pretty nice, but then it's even out right now. But as you can see, it is holding pretty strong on the rise. So right here, it went up to 23,796. It dropped 21, and it's back on the rise to 23. So, but here it is, guys. Everyone is selling out. So just imagine you would have come in here high, right? 23.38, 23. Yeah, 23.308. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just reading two numbers at the same time. So 23,000 in volume, right? Bitcoin volume. If you would have bought here, and guess what happened? Everyone is selling now. See that? You would have lost some big money here. So when is it a good time? See that right there? See how it went from green up here, now it dropped? See that huge volume of people? It's a lot of money right there. Sold out. Is it a good time to buy this coin now at a low rate? The only way we can find out is by keeping an eye on the market history. Okay? Keep an eye on this. And the minute you start seeing people buy, I would buy too. And then once you buy, you can keep an eye on your purchase, because when you buy, it doesn't actually buy instantly. It's gonna buy and it's gonna hold for maybe 5-10 minutes. Your purchase, because again, you're purchasing, and the transactions normally take 5-10 minutes. So if in 5 to 10 minutes it goes up and you are gaining money, you're gaining profits, but between that 5 to 10 minute period it dropped again, you have an option to cancel your order. Okay, you can cancel your order if it didn't kick in. If it did kick in and you lost, you lost money, then you have two options. You can hold on onto that trade till you get some profit, or you can simply sell out and lose money. I wouldn't suggest you lose, if you are in a coin and it's sold a lot and it dropped drastically, I will hold on to it maybe for a day or two. Normally what I do is I go into select tools, I click line. Let's just say I purchase here, right? And just make it nice and even here. Okay, perfect, even. Let's just say I purchased here and it dropped here, right? So guess what? I'm going to sit here till I pass that line, because I really don't want to sell it anywhere down here. I don't want to sell, here. I would love to sell it here so I can gain some profit. All right. When you're trading currencies, right? When you're doing cryptocurrency trading, it's not like Forex. You can make money off a downward decline. You can make money on a downward decline with Forex. But with cryptocurrency, you only make money, on an upward incline. So I'll suggest, just keep an eye on the volume. Keep an eye on the price. This is how much money there is on this coin right now invested. That's the volume. There's 31 Bitcoins involved with this coin. And as you can see, people just continue to sell. So you can keep an eye on the market history. There might be a delay on this. Recently, I've been seeing like a 2 or 3 minute delay. So for example, right now, it is 7:12 a.m. and the last order that came in was at 7:09. So it's like a 2-minute delay. So you might get a whole bunch of 7:12 orders coming out of nowhere, like a whole bunch of them just come in. So that's why you have to really, really keep an eye on the last, right? 21,813. That's all we done here, right? So the price is going down. It is losing value. Okay, so it is a good time to actually buy into the coin now, but I wouldn't buy yet. I will buy when you start seeing the buying trend. Okay, so again, you can stick here for 5-10 minutes, keep an eye on the market history, and wait until you get a whole bunch of people to buy into a coin. I just want to see if it shows here real quick, the buying trends. I'm just gonna pause this video. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. Once the buying trend kicks in, I'm gonna buy on the coin, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. Hey, I'm back. So in that little break that I took, it was about a 15-minute break, maybe less, 10-minute break. And this is what happened when you take a little break, when you miss the opportunity, right? Remember when we were talking a few minutes ago about, I'll say about a few minutes ago, literally. This is what happened in a few minutes. So we were talking earlier, and as you can see, my line is still there. So guess what? I would have invested on the red, right? Which it was earlier in the red. Okay. I would have gained all this money. I mean, if you put a lot of money into it, like I normally, when I'm buying coins, I put in between $200, $400 on each coin when I'm trading. In this case, we have $40 because I put in $40. So, is it safe now to buy more? Yeah, I mean, I would. Let me see something here. Let me just look real quick. 7:29. People are still buying. Yeah, Let's go real quick and place an order. Will it be too late? I don't know. This is something that you gotta just do it. And if you sell, let me double check real quick. 24168. 24168. I have a feeling that we're gonna get a negative drop on this right here on this coin. Just because we missed the opportunity. Yeah, we definitely missed it. So as you guys can see, if you want to buy into the coin, buy in early. Okay, buy when it's red, and once you start seeing the spike in buying, when people are just buying, that's when you buy. All right, at this moment, let's drop it down real quick. So here, okay, again, like I said, it was just a few minutes. Right at this moment right here, when people start to buy, it would have been the perfect moment to actually buy into this coin. Why? Because it went from 21 all the way up to 24. Okay, I myself would have sold here. If I was in this trade, I would be selling right now. And guess what's going to happen? In a few seconds or in a few minutes, you're going to start seeing the sell trend. All right, I don't think anybody else is going to buy anymore after that huge spike. So let's just keep it in here, and we're just gonna watch this coin real quick. I just want to teach you guys what to look for, what not to do, because you could lose some money, and that I don't want you guys to, put in money into this thing and out of nowhere, boom, lose it all. I actually want you to make some profits from this, and I want you to keep an eye on things that are very important when it comes to trading. So 732, people are still buying. Let's just buy. Let's buy, and then I'm going to show you how to sell, just in case you want to sell. So when you buy, you want to buy at, you could do ask. Okay, when you say ask, it's the same thing as last. Last just means that's the last price you're buying it at, 24,168. Okay, or you can click on ask, and you can 24.5, and it's gonna buy at that price. Keep it to where it's limit, and simply just buy. So right now, with the $40 I have in the account, I could buy 62 coins, 62 Blitz coins, right? So let me just double check before I buy again. 24,168. Let's go to 24,168. Buy. Here's my order, 63 coins at 24,168. All right. Confirm it. Here it is. Your order, 63 coins, is in process. Once it goes into the green, my order is active. You can see my order here. We're gonna see a star. Okay, 63 coins, and how much I purchased it for. And also, you can check your orders. When it says here my order history, you can check your order history here, see where you purchased and where you sold at. So as you can see, there's still a buying trend. 2 people sold out already, but there's still a buying trend. All right, so I purchased at 24,168, and I can sell now if my order already processed, which it hasn't yet. But if it did process already, I can sell now, and I made a few cents in profit. Not much, maybe $1 or $2 in profit if I was to sell now at 24,499. right? As you can see, the volume is still increasing, so that means people are buying. Here it is, guys. Someone's selling 24.49. I hope we don't get too many of these sells. There it is, 24.5. So we good. We are on an upward trend, so that's good. Again, you just want to keep an eye on this. If you feel like, hey man, I think I'm losing too much, again, your order is still here. It's an open order. You can hit the red and cancel. All right, if you feel like, okay, I purchased at 24 and people are selling already, which it can happen. It happens to me a lot. That's when you buy high. That's what happens. That's what happened when you buy high. This is not a good way to buy, but as you can see, people are still buying. Okay, so we want to just keep an eye on this because that's very, very important. I just want to give you scenarios so that way you guys can see. Again, people are buying. Another order just came in at 24.5. So we're moving. It's moving up, which is good. I call these green hammerheads. Whenever you see a hammerhead like this, okay, it just means a T with a positive top. It's considered a hammerhead. Here we have a negative hammerhead, which is an upside down. Again, positive hammerheads just means that it is going to continue to climb. All right. Here you can see, I'm going to show you what to look for. So you see, you have a small hammerhead here, then you have a bigger head, and guess what happened? Whenever you see these hammerheads, it just means, on an upward trend. Whenever you see something like this with no dashes on the top or bottom, it just means that a negative downward can happen. Again, here there was nothing, but we got this huge, positive gain. Again, here we have another hammerhead, but this one is too big to be considered a hammerhead, if you understand what I mean. But let's see what happened. We had 24.5. My order still hasn't gone through. I'm still in the process mode. Let's just pray we get a 25 in here, and it's pretty much it, guys. That's all you pretty much want to look for. Now I can move this and I can put it here just so I can keep an eye on where I'm at with my with my investment. So let's just throw a line. I purchased at 24,168. So we're gonna go 24 1. It's gonna be pretty tough to get it at 168. Let's put it here at 24.15, just so we have an idea roughly where we purchased at. So now, that's how much I've gained so far. All right, if my order goes through right now, which when order goes through, you're gonna have a green button up here. You're gonna notice it's gonna say complete order. All right, if my order does go through, I could sell out at 24.5 and I literally profit this much, which is not a lot, but it's profits. Okay, so it's 7:40. We haven't had any orders come in for 4 minutes now, and we can get a negative downward. We can get we can get a spike down. We can get a spike up. Also, the way to tell if you're gonna get more money into this point, just keep an eye on this right here. Keep an eye on the volume of investments into this coin. So right now, this coin, there's $78,000 invested into the coin. Just keep an eye on it. I'm actually trading super early in the morning. It's Memorial Day, so there's not a lot of people right now trading. Okay, super early. 24.49. So there's still people buying, so that's good. And my order is still has not processed. As you can see, it may take 5-10 minutes. If I see a bunch of people selling before my order is completed, I am also going to cancel my order. It's just a smart thing to do. You don't want to go through the, So that's what I want you guys to do. Just keep an eye on your coin. If you're going to invest the way I invest, I do, sometimes I do 30-minute trades. Sometimes I do, 4-hour trades. If I purchase a coin and I lost money right away, then I'll sit longer on the trade. I would just sit here till, the trade goes into a positive upward where I could see some money back or some kind of profits. If you want to sell, simply click here, max. Put you can ask, or you can put last. If you, let's say for example, you want to sell, all right, you purchase at 24,168, and you're gonna step away from your computer for an hour or two, or 3 or 4 hours, but you don't want to lose more than 24,168. Just in case, what I would do is I would simply put it there. All right, and what's going to happen is, if it does drop down to 24,168, it's going to automatically sell for you, so you don't lose more than that. Okay, so let's say you come back to your computer and it's at 28,168, then simply you can cancel your sellout. All right, your order, you can cancel it, because you obviously don't want to sell there. You can cancel it, and you can go back in here and you can simply click max, and you're gonna put either last or you want to put bid. I normally just click last if I want to sell instantly, and I just sell my Blitz cash. Okay, and again, the order is gonna be down here. It could take 10-15 minutes, and that's pretty much it. If you want to take a look at other coins, just keep an eye. Just like I said, you want to buy on the trend where it's starting to, the buy now is starting to kick in. Let's look at another coin before I log off this video. Let's look at this one here. I actually have some money into this one. For example, let's say I want to buy into this one now, 36.36. See, it's not a good time to buy because people are selling. Whenever you start seeing this, you could definitely buy. But guess what happens? This happens again, and see, it went from 36.85 and then dropped to 36.36, and that was literally in just a few minutes. So in about 15-minute gap, if you would have purchased at 36.85 and in 15 minutes, you would have had lost. So if in that 15-minute period your order is still active, I would just cancel that order. Cancel it. Why would you want to lose money, right? So if your order did go through, all right, for example, you purchased here, your order went through at 7:15, and you saying to yourself, "Oh man, I'm purchased. My order went through, but people are selling. Now I'm stuck. Now I lost a few cents." Now, depending on how much money you put in, you can lose. Man, if you're investing $500, $600, $700, $800 like I do sometimes, that little bit of volume right there can mean 50, 60, $70 in loss. It could be quick. if you're doing 40, 30, 50 bucks, from 36 to 85 in volume, it's probably $1 loss. So it's not a major loss. Okay. You can do investments like that, or you can go all in like I do, and I play, I put 400, I might make $200 in an hour, and call it a day. And then I'll, withdraw my profits, put it back into my Bitcoin wallet, or just deposit into my PayPal, and that's it. Call it a day, right? And then tomorrow again, or if I want to continue to trade, I'll just simply go back into my wallet, put my money into my Bitcoin wallet, and continue trading. So if you want to, for example, if you want to sell, let's go back to that one coin that we were. Let's just keep an eye real quick on that one. It was Blitz Cash. And once you leave and go back in, that line that we put here is gonna disappear. So you just want to put it back in there if you want to continue, taking a look at your coin. So we put it at 24,168, which is right there. All right, so that's our line. We still in profit. My order is still hasn't processed. People are still buying. All right. 742 was the last order. It's 747 right now. And if I see the trend of sell, I'm just gonna cancel my order to be on the safe side. Like I said, I don't want to lose any money. All right, so 742. All right. So, for example, if you want to sell, simply just sell out. It's gonna look like this. It's gonna say up in orders, and it's gonna say the amount that you sold, and it's gonna say pending. Once your order went through, go into your wallet. All right, and the same way you're gonna want to. Okay, the way I do it is I put all my money into the Bitcoin, right? I sell, and once you sell, he automatically puts your money into Bitcoin, into your Bitcoin wallet. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Coinbase.com. That's where I use Coinbase, or you can use this one here, okay? And you simply want to get your wallet. You're gonna want to go into your wallet. All right, so let's go into deposit. I want to see, because I don't use this one here to actually let me see if I can find my wallet. All right, so for example, if I wanna sell, I want to move money from here, okay, from wallets. We're gonna hit the negative because we want to withdraw. All right, and you're gonna put the amount. For example, I don't have anything in my Bitcoin wallet right now. So once you have all your money in your Bitcoin wallet, you're gonna simply put the amount that you want to move. All right, and you're gonna go back into your deposit. This is your wallet ID, right? Your wallet address. You're gonna copy this. You're gonna go here. You're gonna put this address here, you're gonna put the quantity of BTC that you want to move from Bittrex into your, into the CEX IO, and then you're gonna withdraw. So that money's gonna move over to here, and once you have that money here, you can actually withdraw. Okay, you can withdraw back into either your bank or your card. Okay, so then you're gonna put in, you can put BTC, USD. Simply just put the amount that you have in your wallet and click here, and then go from there. With the process. So your money will move from this account, from here, from this platform, back into your payment card. The way I do it is I move my money from Bittrex, all right, to Coinbase. From Coinbase, I put it into my PayPal, so it actually moves in a lot faster. It's instant. You'll have your money like literally instantly, same day. Sometimes with when you move money from this platform into your credit card or debit card, it can take some hours, or it can take a day or two. But if you're not in a rush, then do it this way. If you are in a rush and you want your money the same day, I will simply go into Coinbase.com, create an account there, log in, sign in. All right, and it's gonna send you a two-step verification code. You're gonna put it in here, and you're gonna go into your account, and you're gonna move money from your BTC wallet. Right, you're gonna grab your address from here, and then you're gonna just transfer it over to PayPal. Super simple and easy. I do it all the time. All right, so that's pretty much it. If you have any questions after after you are inside of Bittrex, and again, guys, keep an eye on the coin, keep an eye on the actual change. As you can see, I have money in this one. There's a 34% change. It's at 36.36. We just purchased some Blitz Cash, but it's still in process, I believe, right? It's still in process. 24,168 is currently at 24,49. Again, people are selling. See, people are selling. So if I see this number drop while I'm in here right now, right, 24,168. If this price drops lower than this, I'm just gonna cancel my order. Just that simple. I hope that my order does not go in through, and I don't know where, the price drops. It happens. It has happened to me before. It's gonna happen to you. Don't freak out. Just like I said, keep an eye on the stock. On the coin. I keep saying stock because I do stock investments too, and it's a little confusing. Very similar, but a little confusing. It's a little different. And just protect yourself. Just keep an eye on it. And see, my order still has not completed yet. So it can take 5, it can take 10, it can take 15 minutes. There's times where I purchase a coin on a downward trend, and it went up, and in that 15-20 minute period it dropped again. I'm like, man, I could have, if the process was a lot faster, I could have gained some major profit. But it doesn't happen that way, so you just gotta, stay active with what you're doing. Just keep an eye on it. If you're gonna stick with this coin for a while, just watch it. Don't step away from it. If you're gonna do a week trade, then that's fine. You could do a week trade and you don't have to worry about it, right? But if you're like me, that like to trade 30-minute periods, I like to do 30 minutes, 1 hour trades, and I move on to something else. So if I make any profits from this one, like in this case, it looks like I'm still in profit. Just waiting for my order to go through. If I do gain some profit, I'm gonna sell right away, and I'm just gonna go and buy another coin, because I believe if this doesn't go up anymore, what's gonna happen is, we're gonna get some negative downward trend. So pretty much that's all I wanted it to do. If you have any questions, drop a question in this YouTube video. Also subscribe to my videos, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna keep posting a lot of these videos, give you guys some ins and outs. If you found this video useful, leave a comment, just support, so I know that what to improve in my videos. And I hope to see you make some money. This stuff is fun. It's addicting. The most I've made in one day with this was $800. It was a blessing. I started with a $400 purchase, and I made $800 in profit, which is pretty cool. All right, guys, take care. Keep an eye on your BTC account, 22.5. It looks like it's going to continue to rise. There was a correction in the BTC. It was at 2,700 and it dropped to 22, but we all knew that was going to happen. It had to correct itself, meaning that it happens in everything, and in regular currency it happens, and now in cryptocurrency. So take advantage now that Bitcoin is at a lower price, and trade. So the higher the price of BTC goes, also the more money you make in profit. Because again, once you exchange your Blitz Cash coin into BTC, then your money grew some because of the price of BTC going up. So if this declines, your account is going to decline. If it goes up, it's going to, obviously, you're going to gain some stuff, some profit there. So that's all. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.